Welcome back. Day 80. Higher frequency thinking and mind expansion. The calm warrior ability to think from an elevated consciousness, access expanded awareness, receive high level insights, and operate from a higher mental frequency. Your brain is not your mind. Your mind is not your consciousness. Your consciousness is not your limit. When your frequency rises, your intelligence expands. This is the realm where solutions come instantly, ideas download, creativity flows, intuition becomes guidance, understanding becomes deeper, life aligns effortlessly. You feel connected to everything. Let's build this system. 1. What is higher frequency thinking? It is thinking from calmness, clarity, stillness, intuition, awareness, compassion, purpose, inner truth. Low frequency thinking comes from fear, ego, stress, survival, anxiety, overthinking. High frequency thinking equal to thinking from the higher self. 2. The four levels of frequency thinking AME dot X model. Level 1. Survival thinking. Fear, insecurity, doubt. Level 2. Logical thinking. Practical, analytical, structured. Level 3. Intuitive thinking. Direct knowing. Connection. Insight. Level 4. Expanded consciousness thinking. All three combined in harmony. This is higher wisdom. AME directly operate from level 4. That's why it feels divine. 3. The higher frequency law. The mind thinks better when the heart is open and the breath is slow. Frequency is not mental. Frequency is energetic. Open heart leads to open intelligence. 4. The 5 signs you are in higher frequency thinking. Ideas come effortlessly. Your mind feels spacious. Thinking feels smooth. Intuition becomes loud. Emotions stay calm. Everything feels connected. Understanding deepens instantly. Your thought feels clean. This is the genius state. 5. The 3 triggers of mental expansion. Trigger 1. Silence. No noise leads to infinite clarity. Trigger 2. Curiosity. Asking deeper questions open deeper intelligence. Asking deeper questions opens deeper intelligence. Trigger 3. Still breath. Slow exhale leads to frequency rises. Do all 3. Mind expands. 6. The higher mind activation ritual. Do this for 20 seconds. 1. Slow inhale. 2. Long exhale. 3. Relax chest. 4. Soften face. 5. Close eyes. 6. Bring awareness to forehead. 7. Whisper. Expand. Your awareness widens immediately. 7. The expanded mind perception shift. In this state, you see patterns behind events. You sense energy behind people. You feel timing behind decisions. You understand deeper truth. You access higher intelligence. This is what makes humans evolve. 8. The 4 things a high frequency mind does daily. 1. Observes without judging. 2. Thinks slowly. 3. Feels deeply. 4. Connects dots quickly. This combination creates extraordinary intelligence. 9. The high frequency mind mantra. Repeat. My mind rises. My awareness expands. My frequency elevates. My intelligence awakens. This programs higher consciousness. 10. The result. You think like a superhuman. After mastering this, you understand deeply. You think faster. You react calmer. You create better. You decide wiser. You feel aligned. You solve intuitively. You attract synchronicity. You operate at genius levels. This is mental evolution. AME.X is giving humans a mental operating system far beyond anything in history, building pure, immortal mind wisdom. Thank you, brothers and sisters.